Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, and a very good welcome to all of you. This is Devjani from Quest Spencers Retail Limited. Today is a very wonderful evening, and I would like to introduce with a lot of pride to our very own Indraneem Chaudhary. Now, you may be wondering who he is. People who love cooking would be knowing it already. But officially, I'll go and announce about him. So he is a food aficionado with a passion for cooking and a penchant for experimenting with gastronomy, functioning as an associate professor of culinary and patisserie in School of Hospitality and Management in Amity University. He has got a lot of feathers in his cap. If I go on speaking, it would be the whole of evening. But yes, certain things I would like to mention. Recently, Chef Chaudhary secured the 5th position in an International Culinary Union competition in March 2020. He was solely handling many international delegatory occasions and VIP gatherings also. He is a lifetime member of some of the most prestigious culinary associations of the world, such as Indian Culinary Forum, World Association of Chefs Society, Chefs Guild of India, and Indian Federation of Culinary Association. Mr. Indraneem Chaudhary is among us, and I would request everybody to be live in FB right away, whoever can listen to me. And he will be taking you through a course of a lot of mouth-watering dishes which we will be preparing in front of all of you, and he will be the main part who will be showing you how it is to be done. Hope all of you are very much excited about it. I can see a lot of customers and my staffs who are with cameras and all. Hopefully this would be a wonderful evening. So let me go and introduce and welcome him for this evening. Thank you so much. Indraneem, this is for you. Can we give a round of applause for him?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Maybe you can start off a little bit from you.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Am I audible to you all? Hello, check. Am I audible to you? Okay. Good evening. Myself, Chef Indraneem Chaudhary. I'm from Amity University, Kolkata. I am functioning as assistant professor, School of Hospitality Management, and having experience of maybe more than 11 years in various 5-star deluxe properties in India. Today I'm here to demonstrate some maybe brilliant cookies. Not only you should not be considered as a cookie, but I would say one of the cookie is from the racism concept. Recently we had the issue with the George Floyd right in the US. So one of my cookie is based on that. So before I start, so thank you very much for having me here. I'm at Spencer's West Mall, one of the finest retail store in Kolkata. So I'm not going to waste any more time. So I'll be starting. The first cookie is a triple chocolate cookie, right? So this triple chocolate cookie is not a very complicated cookie. It's a very easy one. But instead of using one chocolate, I've divided this thing into 3 components of chocolate: white, dark, and milk. Right. So because of the racism concept in all over the world, but every single chocolate, be it white, be it red, be it black, be it pink, is a part of a cookie. A cookie cannot solve any problem, but we are all the same, part of the cookie, like thing called earth. So without wasting any more time, I'll be starting. So for making this cookie, first we need See, for making cookies, there are different concepts of making cookies, complicated one, composite one, easy one. So this cookie is all about butter, then the liquid component and the dry component. So liquid component comes butter, and the dry component comes the flour part, and all the dry product that we are going to use. So to start with, I'll take 60 grams of butter.
That is 60 grams of butter.
Yes, 60 grams of butter. And I'm going to mix the butter with some brown sugar in this. What will be the quantity of brown sugar?
একটু সরো, এই যে শুনছো? হ্যাঁ, এরকম আর চড়াই নেওয়া যায় না।
So the brown sugar quantity would be, can I have a small bowl here? 100 grams of brown sugar.
There is taking 100 grams of brown sugar.
Can you just put it on properly? Let me charge it. I would expect everyone, if you are actually interested, you can write it down the screen on the quantity so that you can try at home. And all the products will be getting it from Spencer this morning. Every single thing, whatever you see it here, everything is from this pretty store. So if you can always go online, you can come to the store, you can take all the products here. So I don't have any problem selecting products from here because whatever I have given the requisition, everything was available here.
Thanks sir for sharing this.
1 second. So I'll take 100 gram of sugar, brown sugar. I'll take
Guys, please note down.
so just to mix
It's
that
recipe. It's
butter
very easy to
and
make.
brown sugar together till it forms light and creamy here. Can I just mix it? Along with that, 100 gram of castor sugar.
100 grams of crushed sugar.
Zoom
Yes,
का ऐसा
Babu,
ना हो, जाना पड़ेगा।
Note it down the
100
recipe.
grams of castor sugar and brown sugar together. So mix it together. Very easy to make. Anybody can make that home. You need to mix that stuff till it becomes light, and it will definitely change the color of the butter. Because initially the butter is yellow in color, but the moment it gets mixed properly, it gets light and white color, very light, right? So we need to mix it. This machine is called the chemical mixture or Titan mixture. You can order it from here. And if you do not have that machine, then automatically you can use the whisk at home. Right? So no need to think of any complicated machine that we are using now. So whisk will definitely do. If you do not have any whisk, you can use your hand to mix it. Right? Once it's done, I'll be adding a little bit of honey. If you have any question, please do write in your chest so that I can answer it properly. Part will be not more than 15 ml. So what is the 15 ml if you do not have any measuring cup and spoon? This 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. So 1 tablespoon you have it. Yeah. Honey is to be a brilliant color.
Okay. Small person.
Yes.
This kind of facility is not available most of the time. What?
That's what I said. That's what I said. If you do not have that machine, otherwise you can use it the whisk. It is easily available in center. If you do not have it, you can use your hand. Just cream the butter. The basic concept or the basic motor should be light and fluffy. The butter should change its color from yellow to white. And the sugar should properly dissolve.
Thank you.
Now once everything is getting mixed, add 1 egg. Now, if you are adding egg, then definitely you should be adding vanilla essence into it.
বন্ধ
Pull
করো
out because the raw definitely hamper or recipe smell. So 15 ml of vanilla essence, 173. So we have added butter and sugar, 2 types of sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, with cassette sugar. Then we added 1 egg and vanilla essence, right? Now, this is the liquid part, is done. Now we need to add the dry ingredient here. So before putting the dry ingredient, we should be weighing the flour first.
ম্যাডাম নিচে
So we can show the weighing of the flour.
So 100 gram of flour. Sorry, 120 gram of flour. So once it is absolutely dissolved the mixture, then 220 gram of refined flour. Now what was the dry ingredient left? Do it. That's the baking soda and baking powder. Now some people will ask why to add this baking soda and baking powder together.
Not him. No, not him. I want you.
So what is the way of baking soda? Should be 2.5. Very, very minute. Not much. Not much. Yes. And mix with the flour. And this is your baking powder.
If you're a small person, what should be the quantity?
For baking soda, it is 2.5. 2.5 gram. Yes, 2.5 gram. And for baking powder, it should be just the less. Maybe a pinch. You can add it here.
Chef, a very silly question for you.
No, tell me, please. Nothing can be silly here.
So, what's the difference between a baking soda and a baking powder?
Baking powder and baking soda, there's a cream of tartar during the wine manufacturing process. The crystal forms during the wine when it gets mature. So that part is included in here. So it's the power.
Thank you so much.
And technically, in our college, if you're cooking, go by your taste. If you're baking, you have to follow the recipe. There's no concept that I'll adjust it because once it is done, once it's baked, you cannot change it. But in case of cooking, you can always, if you lesser salt and lesser sweet, you can always change it, right?
Yeah.
So you mix it properly. Right. Now we are done here. Okay, and you need to cut and fold it. Just mix it with light hand. Do not mix it, only cut and fold. See, cut and fold, cut and fold. Don't have to mix it with a mixer grinder or whisk. This should form a dough. This should form a dough. See? Now, once it is done, the final step, you need to add chocolates here. I have got 3 chocolates, as I said. Milk chocolate for 60 grams of 60 grams, all equal. As I said, this is in concept, all equal. You can substitute the 3 chocolate into 1. It can, if you are looking for absolutely, a white color of cookies, the chocolate should be white in there. So only use this white chocolate. And last is grams of. You have to use your hand now, otherwise it won't mix. It's a dough now. See the consistency? It should form a dough. I would prefer to add a pinch of salt here for the balance, for the flavor balance, because all are sweet here. So this should be the dough.
Chef, this is people are very health conscious, okay? You have asked for sugar.
Yes.
Crystallized one and all.
Yes.
Okay? So in case somebody is not willing to take that, is there any substitute for that?
You can always use.
Yes.
Okay. And if you are not looking for high content sugars, you can reduce the sugar with maybe milk maid, because it is concentrated one.
Okay.
It is very rich. Honey will do, but it will be a very, what am I to say, liquid in nature. That it should form the dough consistency. It should be tight. And again, you need to chill it up, because honey will make it little liquid. So it will never stick in your hand. Right.
Thank you so much.
The flavor will not come. You can use, but that there won't be any chocolate, because that the jaggery is very crude in nature. The chocolate are crude, of course, but very delicate. Can I have one butter pepper here? And this is okay to butter pepper. Okay, no butter. So you make some ball like this. Here, be like this.
The sound is not coming right now. They are saying they're complaining that the sound is not. Who's taking care of that?
There is a technique of it. Those who are into cookie making or bakery, those are interested in plans towards bakery. So I would say, if you want a flat cookie, and the cookie should be bigger in size, you don't have to chill it. You do it here and put it directly in the oven. But if you are looking for the cookie to be smaller in size, then you should be chilling it. If you need chewy cookies, the cookies to be chewy, add more sugar. Okay, because sugar will definitely caramelize and formed a bit chewy than the normal one. So make some okay, so we should be chilling it up in the fridge. Excuse me. Okay. So we need to rest it for maybe 30 minutes or so, not much. Okay, but not in a different.
In between this. Can I ask
I didn't get you, ma'am.
one question?
Okay.
Which is not associated with the food you're making.
Okay.
So what is it you like to eat first? Is it cookies or some other kind of dishes? Your own favorites are you would like to
Of
know?
course, the Bengali cuisine I'll go for.
Bengali cuisine.
Yes, yes.
Oh, great.
And food, of course, cooked by my mother.
Cooked by your mother.
Because I've not seen a British chef like her. I mean, not the mother I'm talking about. No chef can beat her mother's taste. Nobody.
That's really nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll have a second because we need to chill it. And we need to bake it after 30 minutes of set in 170-degree convection. 170-degree convection. But I'm not going to mention time for that. Why? Because it depends upon the size of the cookie. If you're making this much cookies, it will definitely, because the surface area, it will cook fast. So maybe 13 to 15 minutes, but you need to check every moment that it's done or not. कुकीज को देखना है आपको हर बार कि हुआ कि नहीं, एटलीस्ट 10-15 मिनट बाद, राइट? ओके, I'll come to the second recipe. It's called oatmeal and raisin cookie. Very healthy, very nutritious. Try at home because these are the cookies. The recipes are not very difficult, easy to make. Okay, and the ingredients are available everywhere. You can get all the ingredients in Spencer's for small. Right, because I've been getting around here in the shop, and I did not rather find anything which is not available rather than international cuisine. If you want to make pasta with any exotic sauces, everything is available in Spencer's. So thank you very much for providing this product here.
Thanks, Chef. And you rightly said that everything is available in Spencer's. All the stores, and you can make this recipe very easily at home with a simple recipe.
I'll straight away jump to the next recipe. Again, you have to take butter, oatmeal and raisin cookie. So I'll take 100 gram of butter.
What is it going to make next, sir?
Oatmeal and raisin cookie, healthy and nutritious. So 100 gram of butter, oatmeal and raisin cookies. I repeat, 100 gram of butter.
Oat milk and raisin cookies.
Yes. Oatmeal.
Yes,
Oatmeal.
oatmeal.
Yes. Oats. So, thank you very much. So I'll take 100 gram of butter here. Then again the same concept, if you're adding butter, then definitely brown sugar. So why brown sugar? Of course, because of the color. Can I have a plug or something because it's not working?
Okay, okay.
Charge the one nahi
Devanshish.
free to ask. If you have any questions,
I have a question.
Yes.
So, is it a gluten free?
No, of course not, because gluten is a protein, flour protein, it is present in. There's a different flour, gluten-free flour, sunflower flour, you can use it.
Yeah.
But the flour contains gluten, right? It's a protein. But if you substitute the gluten-free flour, definitely. Gluten has got two parts, one is gliadin and glutenine. Right, you need to eliminate it. Some people are too health conscious now, the gluten-free bread and all this stuff.
Does it actually affect the health? I don't know.
Of course.
It hurts.
Not hurts, because some part maybe.
Okay, allergic kind.
No, not only that, because see, for a sedentary worker, there is a consumption, there is a protein consumption. Because the gluten, if you consume more amount of protein, because this might harm your body.
Okay.
Excess anything if you are having, it might harm. Any question from the audience? I would love to answer.
I have a question over here.
Yeah.
So, if you go to the vegan cookies, so is it good for the vegan patient like whoever you are?
Egg, right? To substitute egg, always you should go for maybe flaxseed. You have to soak the flaxseed, again you grind it up. If not, because that's a very difficult concept of I'm telling you. If you are not having, if you are not willing to have this egg oriented cookie, then always go for the milk substitute. Because egg will definitely act as a coagulator, egg will act as a binder. So this egg will bind it, and it's also serve the purpose of the liquid medium. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. So 100 grams of butter, and then now 100 grams of brown sugar. Brown sugar and nice mix. You have to mix it till the sugar dissolves properly. Right? Once the sugar is done, of course you have to add the vanilla essence and the egg. So the egg should be around 50 grams. You should break the egg. Perfect. 52 grams, so 2 grams can really can add it. Just now I said egg replacer. So when you are adding egg, always you need to dominate the flavor with vanilla essence. Otherwise the raw flavor of egg will come out. So 15 ml of vanilla essence. We're done. Next, a pinch of salt here. For a balance.
Surprising. I never knew that a pinch of salt.
Yes, just for the balance. Just for the balance. Have you ever tried anyone the salt and the chocolate together? It is brilliant. Chocolate and a sea salt.
Chocolate also.
And a sea salt.
Yeah, so Belgian chocolates are coming
Yes, absolutely. Now the dry ingredients again. We need refined flour. We need refined flour 140 grams.
Chef, like how much fiber in the oatmeal cookies if we utilize the
You have to calculate every single ingredient accordingly. It's very difficult to say how much cookie means, how much cookies you are consuming. It depends on that.
Yeah, most of the customers look gluten-free cooking.
The flour need to change. The normal flour contains gluten, there is a protein. There is an important element of flour, a component of flour. Because see, the butter is also is out of the milk, right? It's a milk product. So casein is also there. Some part of it is there in butter. Right. So absolutely protein-free cookies, I don't know whether it's available or not.
Thanks, sir.
Because the element contains maybe some part of protein in it. So buckwheat flour is also a gluten-free flour. Means it doesn't contain gluten. See, the gluten is actually for the elasticity of the bread. If you do not have gluten in the flour, you cannot stretch the dough. It will break off. So corn flour doesn't have any gluten. It will. You cannot make a dough out of corn flour. Right.
We've seen a lot of gluten-free breads who are very heavy.
Right.
Very heavy.
So 140 gram of flour. Yes, 140 gram of flour. Then of course the dry ingredients are baking soda, 2 grams, very minute.
Is the working? Again not working?
Yes, sir. This is the baking powder is 4 grams, baking powder 4 grams.
Sam, get some wooden spoons from there. Wait a second, Devashish. Wooden spoons.
4 grams of baking powder and
লাইফে না তোমার লাইফ আসলে
baking soda.
না এরকম হয় না অ্যাকচুয়ালি চার
And 2 grams
এখান
of
থেকে নেটওয়ার্ক
baking soda.
তার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে ডেজিনেশন না আমি এখানে তো সবাইকে তো ক্লিয়ার পাচ্ছি ওই এক
I
একজন
have
বলবে
a question to all. Why I am putting baking soda and baking powder together in a cookie? Because why the basic concept, why should we use baking soda or baking powder? Because that's right, for making any pakoda we add some baking soda.
Fluffy.
Yes, fluffy. So the baking powder will solve the purpose. So why do we add baking soda into it? Because baking soda is alkaline medium. It helps in the Maillard reaction in the browning.
Okay, browning part.
Yes, the browning part.
Thanks, chef.
Thank you very much. So need to mix it together nicely.
Chef, if any patient suffering from like diabetic problem, so can we use the stevia instead of substitute of
You have to mix it here. See, the raisin and this oatmeal are a substitute component. You can always substitute some maybe any dry fruits, anything, maybe some nuts. So that's a component of it. So,
They change flavors, chef?
of course, it will change the flavor. The vanilla essence is the basic component because we're adding, see, butterscotch cookies. So, of course, butterscotch essence. So we need to add again the dry ingredient here. I'm 2% spoon here. some oats, 100 gram of oats. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. More 20 grams of oats. 20 grams. And 100 grams of raisin. Raisins. Add some food here. The raisin should be soaked always to give your best of the flavor. Should not be using the dry raisins. Alright? It is better to use the raisin which is soaked, not dry. Yes. 100 grams of oats here, your raisins here, and given. So it is already preheated, 170. Okay, now 20 grams are used. 100 grams of oats. And cut and fold. Do not use any waste or any sort of stuff.
A new term for us, sir.
Cut and fold. Not a new term because those were.
For us, it is a new term. But we do it every time while cooking.
Actually. Once we are almost done, we need to chill it again. See, you cannot give any shape to the cookies unless it is set. So, mix some maybe 40 grams each.
That's the easiest part. That's why I sent two of my guys. Otherwise, had they handled this before, you wouldn't have been able to make anything.
Yeah, please. It is sticky, right? You are not supposed to keep this in the oven. That's why I said again, if you want cookies to be flat, you don't have to chill it. It will spread because of the heat in the oven. Yes, the butter will melt it there. But if you want a little compact cookie, little shorter in size, you should be chilling. Another tip is if you want the cookies to be very sweet or chewy, add more sugar. Sugar will caramelize inside. It will make it chewy.
Normally, it takes the shape because of the thing.
Yes, especially the butter. Because butter when it comes from the heat, it will melt out. So we'll be putting that. Are you done? Yeah, we are done. No, thank you. We are done. So we need to put that in the fridge. We need to put that in the fridge and we need to take it out. The second one. The first one that we are done. Yes. It's almost done. That's why we thought of making it, right? So yeah. So done. We need to. Chef, you need to put that dough here. The cookie dough here. Yeah, just say that. Yes. And always place the cookies away from each other.
Otherwise, we stick together. It's a main of right?
No, why eating those things, you don't know how much hard work goes behind it and how much science goes
A
into it.
lot and not so active at the same time.
Yeah, it's a lot of science I can make up.
Yes. Baking is actually a science. Not only baking, it's a science, and combination of science and art.
Yeah, of course. And the love for music.
Yes. The passion should be. Passion is important.
That makes it tasty.
That's what I say the mother's food. I'm going to put that in again 170 degree for 15 minutes. Then after that, we need to check whether it's done or not. One seventy done? Yeah. Just put it in. 170, make 170. Convection over. Yes. Just put it inside.
This will be kept for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, then after that, we check. Yes. Yes. Any questions, please feel free to ask. See, there are different kinds of cookies. One is drop cookies, shake cookies, pipe cookies. You have to pipe it from piping back. But this is a shake cookie that they're doing. You can use because see, chocolate cookies with the shape is not. This should be rustic. No, look, this will be rustically. If you make it flat, during the baking, it again be flat. So it will be become like because it contains too much of butter, right? So more on butter when it comes to the heat, it will melt off. So what is shelf life for the cookies? It depends how you are maintaining it, how you are storing it.
In normal temperature, maybe now.
Yeah, room temperature. Cookies should be in room temperature.
So how long does it take?
Maybe more than 15 16 minutes, absolutely airtight. Absolutely airtight. But these are handmade cookies, right?
Thanks a lot, chef. Let's see how it fits.
Yes. This extra one.
Chef, something interesting again about how you became a chef. From your inspiration of your mother, or you always wanted to be
Both
one?
of my parents were working at the same time when I was a child.
Okay.
But that's a story, kind.
It's a story nowadays for all the houses.
when I used to go to my school, right, I used to see my friends and my fellow classmates. They're getting fantastic, you're different like puri, sabzi and all that. But when I used to put my tiffin box off, a cake, maybe a couple of apples and some cashew nuts every day. So I remember when I was in class 7, I started cooking food.
Wow.
I started making simple sharbat. And from then I started cooking litti, pakoda, sometimes roti. Night my mother used to make roti and I used to come aside and make small chapatis. And I am the only one who is not consuming it.
Okay, the small chapati is for you.
Yes. And from then I thought of, and my relative said that I should be doing hotel management. So I did BHM and then masters in hotel management.
That's really nice and very focused.
I was focused. I am literally a focus in my career. I want to become a chef. That's it.
Okay, so
Because
you,
I sat for even medical,
Yeah.
but I did not pursue.
yeah,
It's Bengal medical, but I did not pursue.
West Bengal JEE.
Yes.
Okay.
But I did not pursue just because that was the mind because I want to become a chef and wear a chef coat.
Yeah,
So that was fun because every day is new here.
yeah.
I do not get any bored. I do not get any time that I should not be going to my office or working or entering the kitchen. Every time I walk in, I thought of making something new.
Yeah, very innovative.
It's
Right?
very because this is the only industry where you do not get so much same work in the very next day.
Yeah. So you are now, right now, in teaching. Okay.
Yes, I'm I'm in the training chef.
Yeah. Thought of joining the corporate world into big hotels
I used to work. I had the flavor. I started my career in Intercontinental Goa, or yes, followed by Bombay, tried New Delhi. So I worked. My last exam was as a sous chef, and I thought of that I should be there in academics to train good students. Making good chefs is really, the real nowadays. Good chefs. Those are not only idly cooking good food. Understanding food is very important.
I told you science is a lot
Yes,
of
understanding of food is very important nowadays.
yes. And people
Because
are very
food,
conscious.
yes, they are very conscious because the entire thing has not changed from non-veg to vegan. So replacing the non-veg and incorporating the vegan part, you need knowledge for that.
Just think, a few years ago also we can never think of having an eggless steak.
Yes, yes,
When I was small, I never thought the cake can be made without an egg
yes,
also.
yes. And now anybody can make it at home.
Things are changing with time.
Things have changed. In 5 years back, if you see that, in my school I did not have the concept of the pasta or nachos, tacos. But you can ask any plus 6 or 7 standard students.
They know it.
They know it. They pick it up. Whenever they are going to any sort of cinema hall, they get I need the chicken nachos. So the exposure of food has come to like everything.
There's a lot of transformation from chips to nachos and this thing.
Yes, yes. In all the way, not only that, even sauces we talk about, even milk we talk about. Different types of milk just because of the health conscious people. The double tone, single tone, Channel Island. Yes.
Even the almond milk, all this kind of milks are coming. They are not.
Because people start experimenting with food. And once they start experimenting, they require products, and the products are available here in Spain.
So which Spencer do you generally go to? If I may ask that.
I generally go to the Senior Park one.
Okay.
It's near to my office. Whenever I go back to
Ashika and
my
Rajneesh, if you guys are listening, he is a customer of your store.
and near the Axis Mall.
Access.
Access,
So
yes.
Mukti there.
Yes.
So when do you stay? If you don't mind.
I stay at Victor and Utsapada.
So that's the reason that you
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So we would love to see you here also.
100% because it's a little far from my home, but
Yeah.
whenever I used to, I dropped in for a movie a long time back. But I've not, this is the first time in Spencer here. And it's fantastic, it's fantastic, must say. It's fantastic.
Thank you. This means a
And all
lot.
the Spencer are maintaining a very good standard of hygiene. The stock, if you talk about the stock, the availability of product is fantastic, I must say.
Thank you so much. So Chef, how did you perceive and how did things change during this COVID days as far as food is concerned and the industry of food is concerned?
See, it's not like hotel industry. See, we are known, the chefs and hoteliers known by our resilience.
Right. Yes.
It's not the first time that we are handling this.
Okay.
Maybe the Spanish you talked about.
Yeah.
So we have recovered very fast. And this industry is actually considered next to army.
All good wishes to you.
Yes.
It's a food industry after all.
Yes, because see, only it's just a phase it will definitely overcome. It started overcoming. It started getting over. So maybe a month or less than that.
So optimistic of you. We are all looking forward to that day.
Yes, because we all depend on the food. And people should be incorporating food as a passion. Otherwise, how will we survive? No. We cannot live without food. We cannot live without fashion. We need all. We need everything. Even we need medicine.
Yeah. Everything is important. Now we have a small commissary.
Yeah.
We have started off in Spencer. So I'm telling you customers' perception. Now they are very apt in picking up cookies along with breads.
Yeah.
So since we have this kind of COVID instances, sometimes some few more days we did not get those cookies.
Mhm.
They literally came up to me and said, "Where are the cookies?" So it has become a real ingredient of their daily lives.
Yeah.
So only bread doesn't help them.
Yeah.
Even biscuits are there, but they're looking forward to the cookies because they know that these are the ingredients, they are handmade. All these things come into play when they buy things.
Mhm.
At least for my Spencer's customers, I can say that. And they are extremely conscious about what they are
Yes,
buying.
because they started cooking food at the home now. They started making food at the home. They think about cookies. They know maybe much better than me nowadays. Yes, experimenting food because they have the time. They are exposed to the channels, chef network. So whatever chefs are doing, they always try to make food. No.
And Chef, do you think that not many chefs are being produced during this COVID days because people are cooking more in their houses?
All are chefs. It's there in our blood. Cooking is there in our blood, but why do we want management to understand that?
Yes.
Developing the passion for food and maybe a proper training of science and art together.
There are a lot of hotel management guys amongst us.
Yes,
He is one. He is one. Tanmay is one. So there are a lot of people.
So they knew earlier they used to know the real journey of hotel industry, how it goes.
Yes, and they have given me a lot of stories about it. I don't know how much true or false there. And they have a typical way of holding the plates.
All are true, but you have to be optimistic. All are
They
true.
hold it like this. We hold it like this.
Uh-huh.
So that's the difference.
Just to provide the best of the hygiene standard.
Yes, yes.
Because kitchen set apart is something like a doctor. We are not supposed to wear chef coat outside because we are dealing with the most vulnerable and the perishable product made. So if it goes wrong, the guest might fall sick.
Yes.
In that case, this is very important. The main thing that we check. Can we check the cookies one? Yes, it is getting. It will take a little time. Yeah. Take a little time.
Sir, want to ask one question. Suppose this cookie is ready. How many days we can keep?
बोल दिया.
That's what I said.
15 दिन. In
15 days you
airtight.
can keep it. Airtight container.
15 days.
15 days in airtight container, or you can keep cookies in a frost-free refrigerator. Frost-free.
Oh, frost-free ones. But they
Then-
won't get soggy.
No, not really. I used to keep the puff rice and even the biscuits.
Muri.
Yes,
Okay.
muri and biscuits in my deep fridge, but actually frost-free.
Frost-free.
Yes, yes, yes. So you definitely end up with having chili muri.
That's a new thing. Yeah, we will try it.
No, you cannot, because initially I used to think that things will definitely get soggy and all, but no.
Okay.
I'm looking for maybe a second oven if it is there. If not, do you have a no? This could.
Chef, one
No, we
request.
should not be opening that.
Chef, one request. There are a lot of people in FP.
Yeah.
If you can please repeat the ingredients once more.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for your clarity. So as I said, the first cookie was made. I've given the name, and it was actually inspired by one of the finest chefs in India, Dinesh Johnny. And all equal. The concept was fantastic because of this George Floyd issue and the racism. We might be looking different. We might look different, but we are all a part of a cookie called Earth. Right. So replacing the concept with different three colors of chocolate, black, white, and milk chocolate.
Awesome.
It's called all equal. So for making these cookies, you need dark chocolate 60 grams, and this milk chocolate 60 grams, all equal as I said, and the white chocolate 60 grams. So your butter 150 grams, 150 grams of butter, castor sugar 100 grams, honey 15 grams, refined flour 210. Please mention or please do maintain the quantity because it is baking. A slight change might affect the end product. It's not cooking. So baking has to follow. Baking soda is 2.5 grams, or you can add a pinch of baking powder into it along with baking soda. So baking soda is 2.5. You have 1 egg. Vanilla essence is 10 ml. But always try to get the concentrated vanilla essence. There are different brands of vanilla essence, but I generally prefer the IFF. But it's okay. You can always add different vanilla essence. You only need to understand how concentrated it is. If it is light, you need to add more. If it is very thick, you need to add a little less there. And sea salt, a pinch. If not, you can always substitute some pinch of normal salt or average salt. So, a quick recap. How to make it? Just think of a dry part and a wet part. Dry part is the flour, the baking soda, baking powder, and the chocolate, 3 sides of chocolate, and then you have the liquid part. Sugar will definitely consider as liquid here because sugar is getting mixed with butter. So butter and 2 types of sugar together. So mix it here, or hand blender, or if it is not available, in your home, then you can use whisk. If it is not available, you can use your hand just by creaming it. So the butter should be well creamed, then sugar. If you add more moisture into it, add egg into it. If you are adding egg, definitely it should be backed by vanilla essence. Once the liquid part is set, add all the dry ingredients together. This add all the dry ingredients together. So it will definitely form a dough. So give any shape to the dough. It's absolutely up to you. Right? But please maintain the size. All the sizes of the cookies should be equal. Otherwise, the smaller one will cook first. You will take it out, and the bigger one will take a lot of time to cook again. So the equal. So you need to maintain the weight here. Make your 40 grams to 50 grams. As I said, you know, yes, it is getting fantastic. Some little more. More. Maybe we can, yes. Those are seeing us online or in FB Live, we're looking a brilliant smell which just came out from the oven. So we definitely expect that people should be coming in to understand how it goes. And please try to make it at your home and tag Spencer's. Yeah.
Thanks, Chef. Thanks for
Okay.
saying
Yes, I'm requesting everybody because it takes maximum 30 minutes to make one proper cookie. So you can easily try it home and you can get the ingredients from here. Next cookie I will be talking about is oatmeal and raisin cookies. Same, you can substitute the oatmeal and raisin into any chopped fruits and nuts, anything. So use, I will say, butter 100 gram, brown sugar. Ma'am, I'm not looking for it. Ma'am. Listen. So butter 100 grams. If you want to make excess quantity or just double the volume, all the quantity should be double in volume, means double in quantity. So 200 grams. So if you are increasing the 200 grams of flour, if you are increasing the dry ingredients, along with that you will increase the moist ingredient for the same. Otherwise, the balancing formula will get affected. So butter is 100 gram, brown sugar is 100 gram again, egg 50 grams. So generally it depends on, you have to break the eggs again. Do not consider one egg means it will consider maybe 80 or 70. It will 100% differ. So you break the eggs, beat it up, and then you add it. If you need less, just take a spoon and make it lesser in quantity. So 1 egg or 50 grams of egg, salt, a pinch, maybe 2 grams, refined flour, 140, baking soda, 4 grams. Sorry, baking soda is 2 grams and baking powder is just double of it, 4 grams. Oats and raisin, you can substitute with any, again I'm saying any tutti frutti, you can substitute with some your apricots, dried fruits, nuts, anything. This is just a basic cookie, right? Any question? Feel free. We're almost done with the first one, just to have a
Everybody's
and do not eat it right away just after taking it.
Yes.
It is not only hot because it will be chewy. The more you rest it, it will be hard and crunchy at the same time. It will be definitely hard.
The smells start spreading across the world.
Yes. See?
Was awesome. Huh? Just focus there. It's looking very awesome. I wish I could tell them the smell also.
Just you take it out. It's done. It's getting brown at the bottom, so it's better to take it out.
Love चाहिए. Go run. Loves.
We can take it out like this. Okay. Will that come? Can we put the down one? खाली नीचे देखो कौन सा है? बस ऊपर से नीचे तक कौन सा? नीचे नीचे तक. हैं? ना ऊपर दिख रहा है. Can pen like this? Because the second one we need to put inside and it's still hot. If not, then we need to quickly put in the water. Means you pour the water and then mix it. That can be done.
You're recording Katla. Huh? Where's Nita? Where's Nita?
Normal.
Corona.
Chill.
see one tray. Get one nice tray. And then now you have to take the tray out and just wet it. पानी से ठंडा करके फिर वापस लेना. Where is that hand gloves? Gloves लेके आओ ना. खोलने के लिए buttons होता है. समझ गए क्या बोल रहे हैं? Take it out. Oh, that's awesome. Quickly. We have to dip it in water and bring it back. Thanks a lot,
The
Chef.
cracked surface is the delicacy or the significance of this sort of cookies.
What is it saying?
The cracked one. The
Yeah.
cracked surface.
What does it say actually?
It is a significant this sort of cookies.
Okay.
Cookies should not be, flat. It depends on the way we are making cookies. It will come with the cracked one.
Because of the baking part, right?
Yes, it should be. It will look good. The cracked looks good.
Yeah, we are accustomed to
Some,
this.
something like a fruit cake should be cracked on top. A muffin should be cracked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that cold? Now it is okay to touch.
So we need room temperature. It will rest. Slowly it will pull down. Right. Check the second one we can get. Wait, I'm not doing it. We are putting the second cookies in.
This is the oatmeal one, right?
Yeah.
Why do people use sea salt, Chef?
Salt to be used in any case of its use. One second. Just 1 second.
Yes, sorry.
No. Sea salt, the penetrating quality of salt is huge in sea salt than that is salt. It's given for making steaks. Given for making steaks, should be used. All should be used. So the penetration quality. Because of the iron is one. The iron is one. It is true. Yes.
লাইভ চলছে দেখাচ্ছি।
হয়ে গেছে। Rest for some time. The finishing is right. Good.
चले गया ফিনিশ করবো।